Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with WPForms to capture affiliate lead magnets. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To set up WPForms to capture affiliate lead magnets, first, ensure you have the WPForms plugin installed on your WordPress website. Navigate to the WordPress dashboard and click on WPForms. Select Add New to create a new form. Choose a blank form or utilize a template that suits your needs. Give your form a name that reflects the purpose, like Affiliate Lead Magnet Sign-up. Drag and drop the fields you want to include, such as name. Click on each field to customize its settings, including labels, placeholders, and whether it is required. Once your fields are set up, navigate to the Settings tab. Click on Notifications to configure email notifications for the form submissions. Here, enter the email address where you want to receive the notifications. You can also customize the subject line and the message that will be sent along with the notification. Next, click on the Confirmations section in the Settings menu. Choose the type of confirmation you want users to see after submitting their information. You can opt for a message, a page redirect, or even display a custom link. After setting up your confirmation, proceed to save the form by clicking the Save button at the top right corner. Now, you will need to embed the form into a page or post on your site. Navigate to the page or post where you want to display your lead magnet form. Click on the plus icon to add a new block and search for WPForms. Select the WPForms block and choose your newly created. Once selected, you can adjust the block settings if needed, then update or publish your post or page. To deliver your affiliate lead magnet, set up an email automation through your chosen email marketing service linked to your form. Configure the automated email to be sent upon form submission, including the lead magnet download link. Test the form by submitting a fake entry to ensure everything is working smoothly. By following these steps, you will successfully set up WPForms to capture affiliate lead magnets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.